Today, we're going to reveal the secrets of Grandma's frugal living. These tips have been passed down through generations and have stood the test of time. Are you ready to discover the secrets of Grandma's frugal living? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Meal planning. Are you tired of spending a fortune on groceries every month? Well, meal planning is the secret to saving money on food. By planning your meals in advance, you can make sure you're only buying the ingredients you need and not wasting any food. Plus, you'll be able to take advantage of sales and specials at the grocery store. One of the best ways to start meal planning is by using leftovers. You can turn last night's dinner into tonight's lunch. Another tip is to bulk cook your meals. Make a big batch of soup or chili, for example, and freeze the leftovers for another day. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that you can also freeze bread dough? Just shape it into the desired shape, let it rise, and then freeze it. You can take it out and bake it when you need it. And if you're tired of buying expensive condiments, why not make your own? You can make your own ketchup, mustard, and even mayo at home. So get ready to take control of your grocery budget and start meal planning today. Tip 2. Dye cleaning products. Are you tired of spending a fortune on cleaning products? Well, you'll be thrilled to know that you can make your own cleaning products for a fraction of the cost. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be reducing the chemicals in your home, which is better for your health and the environment. One of the most versatile cleaning products is a simple solution of vinegar and water. It's great for cleaning windows, mirrors, and countertops. You can also add a few drops of essential oils for a pleasant scent. Baking soda is another inexpensive and natural cleaning product. Mix it with a little water to make a paste, and you've got a great scrub for tough stains on pots and pans. Another tip is to repurpose everyday items like lemon peels. They can be used as a natural cleaner. Simply cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub surfaces. So why not give these dye cleaning products a try? Not only will you save money, but you'll also be taking a step towards a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Give it a try. You'll be surprised how easy and effective it can be. Tip 3. Second-hand shopping. Are you tired of overspending on clothes, furniture, and household items? Second-hand shopping is the perfect solution. Not only does it save you money, but it also helps reduce waste and is better for the environment. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces are all great places to find second-hand items at a fraction of the cost. Another great tip is to try upcycling items. This means taking something that's no longer useful and giving it new life by repurposing it. You can turn an old t-shirt into a tote bag, for example. One of the best things about second-hand shopping is the treasure hunt aspect of it. You never know what you're going to find, and it can be a fun and exciting way to save money and be creative. So why not give second-hand shopping a try? Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce waste and be more sustainable. Give it a chance and you'll be surprised at how much you can save and how satisfying it can be. Tip 4. Energy conservation. Energy conservation is the key to saving money on your utility bill. Not only will it help you save money, but it also helps reduce your carbon footprint and is better for the environment. One of the simplest ways to conserve energy is to use energy-efficient appliances. Make sure to look for the Energy Star label when you're shopping for new appliances. Another easy tip is to unplug electronics when you're not using them. Even when they're turned off, they're still using energy. You can also save money by sealing air leaks in your home. It can make a big difference on your energy bill. And remember the benefits of going green. Not only will it save you money on your utility bill, but it will also have a positive impact on the environment. So why not take the time to implement these energy-saving tips? Not only will it help you save money, but it will also make a difference in the environment. Give it a try and you'll see the results in your next utility bill. Tip 5. Gardening. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Are you tired of spending a fortune on fruits and vegetables at the grocery store? Gardening is the perfect solution. Not only will it help you save money, but it also allows you to eat fresh and healthy produce straight from your backyard. One of the best ways to start gardening is by using raised beds or container gardening. This is a great option for people with limited space. Another tip is to practice crop rotation. This means planting different types of vegetables in different areas of your garden each year. This helps to improve soil health and prevent pests and diseases. Companion planting is also a great method to use. It's when you plant different types of plants together that have a beneficial relationship. For example, planting marigolds next to tomatoes can help to repel pests. And don't forget about using natural pest control methods such as companion planting, using mulch or installing bird feeders to attract beneficial insects and animals to your garden. So why not give gardening a try? Not only will you save money, but you'll also be able to enjoy fresh and healthy produce straight from your backyard. Give it a chance, and you'll be surprised at how satisfying and rewarding it can be. Tip 6. DIY home repairs. Not only will you save money, but you'll also learn valuable skills and gain confidence in your abilities. One of the simplest DIY repairs is changing light fixtures. It's an easy task that can make a big difference in the look and feel of a room. Another easy repair is painting. It's a quick and inexpensive way to update the look of a room. Fixing leaks is also an important task you can do yourself. It will save you money on your water bill and prevent damage to your home. And remember the benefits of learning basic tools, usage, and safety precautions. It will make you more confident in your ability to tackle more complicated repairs. So why not take the time to learn some basic DIY repairs? Not only will it help you save money, but it will also give you a sense of accomplishment and make you more confident in your abilities. Give it a try and you'll see that you can do more than you think you can. Tip 7. Bartering and trading. Bartering and trading goods and services can save you money and help you get what you need. Not only will it help you save money, but it also helps build community and connections. One of the best ways to start bartering and trading is by finding potential partners. This could be through online groups, community events, or even with friends and family. Another tip is to be creative when negotiating deals. Think outside the box and consider what you have to offer that might be of value to someone else. The concept of time banking is also a great option. It's a system in which people trade services by using time as the currency. And remember the benefits of building community and connections through bartering and trading. It can be a fun and exciting way to save money and get what you need. So why not give bartering and trading a try? Not only will it help you save money, but it will also help you build community and connections. Give it a chance, and you'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish through bartering and trading. Tip 8. Budgeting and prioritizing. Budgeting and prioritizing your expenses is the key to taking charge of your money. Not only will it help you save money, but it also helps you achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. One of the best ways to start budgeting is by tracking your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Another tip is to set financial goals for yourself. This could be saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Avoiding impulse buying is also important. When budgeting, think twice before you make a purchase and make sure it's something you really need and can afford. And remember the benefits of using budgeting apps and online tools to help you stay on track. They can make it easier to track expenses and set financial goals. So why not take the time to create a budget and prioritize your expenses? Not only will it help you save money, but it will also help you achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. Give it a try and you'll see how much more in control of your finances you can be. Well, congratulations! You've made it to the end of the video and learned some valuable tips for frugal living. These tips have been passed down through generations and have stood the test of time. They are proven methods to save money and improve your financial situation. Remember, frugal living is not just about saving money, it's also about being mindful of the resources we use and the impact we have on the environment. So, we hope that you found these tips helpful and that you're motivated to try them out for yourself. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost-cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.